Go get the toy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Oh. Hi, Gorbie. You're such a cute kitty. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me out of your paws. Let me go. I gotta go feed my baby kitties. I gotta go. Bye. See you later. Oh no, I don't want to be dinner. I don't want to be cat food. Ah! I don't want to be mouse food. Ah! I don't want to be catnip. Look at me. He's so cute. I love playing with him. He's so cute. We might be planning to get a kitty sometime. We're visiting my mom's house, but we had to stop at one of Matthew's friend's house, and I saw the little kitty coming out of the room, and he started getting used to me. He was rolling on his back, and my friend on YouTube, Mr. Hayden, told me that when a kitty rolls on his back, that means he likes you, so... Anyway, that's my little kitty friend. I think her name is Gordie or something. Let me go! Let go of me! Let go! Let go of me! I gotta go! I don't want to be dinner tonight! Let me go! I'm gonna get you, kitty! I'm gonna get you, kitty! Oh, careful. Don't scratch anything. You're so cute. Let go of me. Let me go. I said let go of me. Let me go. I don't want to be your dinner. Let me go. I'm not a mouse. I'm not a mouse. Run. Ah!